What up YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a busy day and a cold day. It's still 40 below outside, but today is 08 Tacoma lift kit install. Leveling kit, coilover system. You'll see when we get there. Let's roll. I just want to say this is life in Canada, and actually our days have already started to get longer, but here you go, pretty much pitch black, right? And it is currently 8:16 a.m. and it's still dark. It'll actually remain dark until, if I had to guess, around 9 o'clock we'll see the sun come up, and then around 9:30, 9:45 it'll become fairly light. By 10 o'clock it'll be completely light. But anyway, this is it. This is Canada. Beautiful though, isn't it? I love it. I wouldn't change it for the world. And we've arrived. We're here. Let's go get a lift kit installed. Leveling kit, lift kit, whatever you want to call it. And here we go. One taco. This is our candidate. So let's get into it. It's not going up a whole bunch. Like I said, it's more of a leveling kit, but it's pretty much an entire suspension change. Okay, so here we go. So we've got the reservoir shocks, both of them. We have the rear shocks. We have new rear leafs and our other parts by Rough Country. Let's go take a look at the truck. Serge! Serge us! Serge! Hey, what are you doing?
Just taking the wheels off.
No. I wanted to get a measure front rear of this before we do it. Man, don't hate me because I'm beautiful. Let's... Yeah, that'll work. Good. Sure. Hey, you're paid by the hour. It's okay.
Things you do for YouTube.
Yeah. Okay, Serge. I got the tape measure here.
Let's do it.
We should do a lift kit so it sits as high as it is right now.
That'd be cool.
That'd be fun. Yeah. So
that'd be a body lift.
Body lift? Well, I mean, it would be some sort of a lift. Okay, let's measure this thing out. This is probably how high you'd have to make it if you wanted to put the 38s that are on the Hummer on here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or cut everything.
Yeah, or cut it all out. Yeah. Have you ever used one of these before?
No, what does this thing do?
Can you come out and operate that?
I'll try.
Yeah. Looks like it's got a pretty good rake. 41 or 40 and a half?
40 and a half.
40 and a half, okay.
Rear.
And
oh, wow.
yeah, I told you, it looked like it has a good rake.
37 and a half.
Okay.
40 and a half, 37 and a half.
You got her. Let's get to work.
Range difference.
Let's get to work. You ready?
I'm ready.
Maverick, come here.
No, you got the camera. He's like, no.
Oh, he's gone. He doesn't like the camera. That's what I have.
Some parts for me.
Yeah.
New leaves.
New leaves, reservoir shocks, 2.5. So that should almost level her out. So the back was up like half an inch, right?
Yeah, that should be level then.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Rear shocks.
I've never done these.
Hold on, look at what's it say there. Why does it say YouTube on it? This is heavy, dude. Feel that? It's like probably 10 pounds.
It probably has YouTube for like, if you want to look it up how to install it.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. All right, step 1, tires off. Good work, Serge. Good work on the tire there, buddy. Yeah. And let's get that shock out of there, I guess. Rear tire is off. What size is this thing, Serge? 275? What? 275, 70, 18. Okay, so any of those wondering that's what's on there. All right, Serge is taking it apart. I'm excited. I want to see what we got going on here. Oh, Serge, it looks cool.
That does look good.
There we go. There's your reservoir.
Oh, wow. This is awesome.
That's a gorgeous product.
It looks good.
Cool. Okay, and put it on.
Yeah, I will.
It's on. No, what? No, why are you... No, what are you doing? Wow. Yeah. What is that? Brackets. That is heavy, man. Probably 2-3 pounds.
Oh, those are sway bar brackets.
Oh, sway bar brackets.
Yeah.
All right.
That's a heavy.
We got shocks here.
There's a shock.
Oh, there. That answers that question. There's upper control arms right there. Ooh.
Wow.
That's a nice control arm.
Yeah, these are fancy things. All right.
All right.
So lots of parts for the front.
Lots of parts for the front. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Do you have your game face on, Rabbit?
Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
Am I
Thanks
going to
for
have to
asking.
put things back so I can video it?
Yes.
Probably.
No, that's okay. We're good. All right, Serge, let's do the rear, right? So we're gonna start. We're gonna take out a hanger bolt. We've got the 2 U-bolts to take off back here, right? For this people viewing this, right? And then we've got a hanger bolt back there to take out.
And some brackets.
Brackets, and then we have to take the shock out, and then that'll let this hang, but we're gonna need a jack under here to support it. Are you ready?
I'll go get a jack.
I'm gonna ask you during this video at least 17 times if you're ready. Are you ready?
I was ready since I was born in Serbia.
In Serbia?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's Serbian garage this then, and let's get to work. Working up a storm over here, Sturgis. Look at these rear shocks. Did you see these?
They're nice.
Did you see them though?
I did.
Did you look at them?
I touched them.
Did you just look at them though?
I did.
You did look at them, okay. So for the viewers, we've got the leaf spring in here, right? We use the stock U-bolts, which, I mean, technically they're torque to yield, but the manufacturer of Rough Country says to reuse them, so we'll go with that. Removed our bolts there. What size was that one, Serge?
That was a 19.
19? Nice. And we got the one back here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What size was that one?
They're all 19s.
You're a 19. Okay. And just gotta throw the shock in there now, hey?
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much, yeah. Good stuff. So we'll do the shock, and then there's the stand I was talking about earlier. And yeah, let's get the shock out, Serge. What happened up there?
It's so seized, everything's.
What do you mean it's not? It's only got 280K on it. It's not seized.
Yeah.
It's brand new.
Only.
Only. Serge, I just want to take a second and point out these instructions haven't been opened yet.
Well, Steve, I don't know how to read.
You don't read English?
No.
What do you speak in Serbia?
If it was Serbian, I would read it.
Do you speak Spanish in Serbia?
No, no, sir.
No, sir. So what do you want me to do with this?
In the bin.
Can I put it on eBay?
Sell it.
Sell it?
Yeah.
All right.
Sign it.
Oh, are you putting that shock in while I play with my camera?
You should sign it and sell it.
So that's how it goes, like that.
Yeah. So yes.
Some old parts on the floor here, do we? What's going on here, sir? Just tell me a story.
So we got the rear end in.
The rear end in.
We have to build some sort of bracket for the brake lines because they're gonna be stretched.
Look how stretched that is.
I even loosened it. So
Wow.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
have
it's
to put something there.
Yeah, so the kit doesn't come, for viewers that are looking to do this, the kit doesn't come with anything there.
Yes.
Now, let's point something out from the kit, is that we did end up finding the U-bolts in the kit in a different box.
Yep.
Convenient, they don't put it with everything else that goes with the rear end, but we did find the U-bolts. Right,
And
cool.
then I'm gonna lower it down on the ride height, and then I'm gonna torque everything to spec afterwards.
Yeah, definitely get some weight on it for sure. Yeah, cool, so we're almost onto the front end now.
Now it's at the front end.
Yeah, this is the easy part actually.
Yeah, this was easy.
Yeah, we thought. Yeah, cool.
Easy brake lines are broken here at the end.
The brake lines are broken?
The housing.
Oh yeah, yeah,
See them split maybe
Yeah.
on that side.
yeah. Interesting. Cool.
And this is a manual, so he's gonna be using that all the time.
Yeah, all right, well, let's dance. Now, Serge, I have major concerns here, buddy. Do you see what's going on here?
I sure do. I've been staring at it.
I'm staring at your hair right now. What happened?
Yeah.
You pulling your hair out because you're stressed about this?
Yeah.
So, what?
It kind of looks like one bolt that goes.
Well, how's it gonna get out with the bodies right there? It looks like one long bolt.
It does.
Wouldn't it make more sense if the bolt went this way and you could pull it out this way? Through here?
That would make sense, but.
But here we are. You know what? Surprise me.
Chop side. Bring out the grind.
Yeah, or lift the body off of it. It looks like one bolt. Well, let's see what happens here. And then for anybody watching this, they'll know what we did. So for those wondering, this shock needs to get replaced here. Or struts assembly, I should call it. Upper control arm needs to get replaced. Diff needs to be dropped. Am I forgetting anything?
Sway bar link.
Oh, sway bar has to be dropped too.
Sway bar, there's
Right there,
a
yeah.
bracket here. And then there's braces across here that the sway bar hits, so you have to cut those, notch those out.
Okay,
And that's it, I think. And then alignment.
and alignment. Let's do it. So this is interesting. You're moving that, and this is moving over here. So let's just pull.
bodies.
No, we'll just pull the cab off a bit quick. It's gonna be fine.
Yeah, real quick.
Yeah. I'm more impressed that this must be an OE control arm with almost 300,000 kilometers on it.
Well, I'm wondering if they put this in backwards.
Oh, for sure.
When they built
I would have to think so, because look how much room there is back here.
Yeah, there's.
Right? There's all the room in the world. All right, so where are we at? We've got the mega long upper control arm bolts out. And what we did was, hey Serge.
Hey man.
So the bolt went across here, right? There was the nut there, the head here. And all we did was use the pry bar and kind of move this, and then you can sneak it back. There's some wires back there you gotta watch for. We moved it back this way, and it went through. Got the new strut in there, reservoir's hanging. Serge, you got your bracket there, buddy?
Yeah.
That just mounts up here. And yeah, things are going good. What do you think? Are they going good?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
There was a few things that were seized on here, but that's just part of the job.
Well, it's the 300,000K truck, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Serge, the best thing I can tell you is it goes somewhere over here, somewhere. Sick. So we've got the sway bar bolts out. We're gonna put our spacer in there now, and then our reservoir bracket will be up here. And Serge, you said it in the instructions it noted to notch these rod support brackets.
There's some notch.
All right, so we're gonna notch these and put our bracket spacers in here.
It's got these so they.
Oh, that looks cool, hey? It's got like a little, well thought out rough country.
And then this goes up in here.
Like that. Because you read the instructions, now you know that.
Definitely did.
Yeah.
Always reading.
Look at that, there you go, there you go.
There's a lot of things going on at once here.
You don't think you have the whole lined up?
Yeah.
I've had this problem in the shower before.
There it goes.
Yeah, there you go.
I don't know if this bumper's gonna get in the way though.
Oh yeah, hey, because he's got this big aftermarket bumper on here. Come on, rough
That's gonna
country.
clear it.
Yeah, you'd think they'd kind of
Actually clears
account
it
for that. Yeah. I mean, cool.
This goes up here.
Cool. There you go. Serge, what in the hell? You got a torch over here? An air hammer? What is happening?
Well, 300,000K rusty bolts.
Is it stuck in there?
Oh yeah.
Like I went for a Big Mac and I came back and you got a torch here, an air hammer,
More hammers.
more hammers, and new hardware.
Yeah.
So it's that lower bolt?
Yeah, it's the bolt.
I have a question. Did you take the nut off at this time?
Yeah.
This time you did? Okay. Oh, I see you got the bracket up here already.
I got that side together if you want to check it out.
Oh yeah, bud. Looks good. Nice, you got it. Good, so we just a little bit of heat, a couple of hammers, and it's no problem, right?
Yeah.
We're getting wrapped up here. We put our spacers in the lower rod support mount thing. Would you call that a rod? What do you
That's
call
a guard. Like underneath guard.
Yeah, but it holds the lower rod support too. I don't know. Anyway,
They call it
we got the spacers in here with the supplied hardware. We had to notch this a little bit over here because they tell you to space this as well. And yeah, I think we're cruising along, Serge.
skid brackets.
Well, this-
Skid
That's
brackets.
the skid bracket.
This is the skid brackets because the skid plate bolts up to here and here.
Okay. All right, I'll call it. All right, fine. It's a
Okay.
skid bracket. Fine. Then put the skid plates back on,
Alright.
Serge. Yeah, we got our reservoir in there. Everything's together here, and Let's get her buttoned up and on the alignment rack.
Yeah, this side was a pain in the butt.
No.
Take out this big.
It wasn't actually that bad.
It was pretty bad.
No, it wasn't that bad.
It was dragging all the way along the top, along the frame.
Yeah, but it was fine. No, it was fine. Okay, we'll put this back together, Sturgis. All right. Where's our skid plate? Let's put that on.
Yeah,
Again.
one more time.
One more time. What seems to be the problem here?
Well, you know I can't do a job without making a bracket.
You bracket everything. So what are you doing?
We're making a bracket for the rear brake lines.
What brake line? Oh, back there. Right. But how come the kit didn't come with something? Yeah. That's crazy that it's got that gap there and it didn't come with anything.
I mean, I could bolt it definitely, but it's gonna
be so tight though. And like, you know the problem, like anytime anybody lifts this truck up, there's gonna be so much tension on all this stuff, right?
Yeah, every time.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, there was no bracket or anything, so.
Well, I think they expect you to bolt it there, but you can't because, like I said, these brake lines are so tight that anytime somebody lifts this truck up, it's gonna put a pile of stress on these brake lines.
Yeah, every time it's gonna be stretched out.
All right. Okay, and then we'll get her on the alignment rack here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What do you got there? Is that your bracket?
Yeah.
So what's
the
your plan?
beginning of a bracket.
Tell me what your plan is.
Let's make the shape.
Let's make the shape.
We'll see.
Okay, just make the shape.
We'll start bending.
Oh, okay, let's see what kind of bracket we got going here. And looks like Sir just bent a piece of flat iron. So if you guys are doing this, you're probably gonna wanna do something similar. You're gonna put a ton of load on your brake lines every time you lift the truck up. Looks like he's got one tire on here. Looks like you're just wrapping her up, Serge.
Yeah.
Let's get her wrapped up.
Put it down on the ground, torque everything, do an alignment.
Nice. Let's get her on the ground so we can measure the before and after.
Let's do it.
Yeah, you gotta go home in 15 minutes.
Is it 15 minutes?
Yeah, so let's get moving here. Oh, there she is. Here, where's my little Serbian? Serbian! Hey, what are you doing?
Here's a cart of all of our old parts, and the new parts are on.
I have this, you're familiar with one of those. Cat makes you use one every Saturday.
Yeah, I gotta measure.
All right, so we're 40.
So that raised up
2.5. Yeah, what about the back?
37.5.
What about the rear? You're on the ground? You're on the ground. 42. I think we were 42, weren't we?
I believe we were 40.5.
40.5.
Yeah. So we raised an inch and a half in the back.
Inch and a half and 2.5. It definitely is not as raked as much as it was before.
It was a 3-inch rake before. So.
Yeah, it's 3-inch rake, yeah. Too bad that post is in the way. There, it looks better. Cool. Well, I think it turned out good. We'll get the alignment done on it. Nobody wants to see that. Hey, what do you say to all the people that watch the video? You know the routine.
Subscribe, follow, and we'll see you next time.